Hi, I'm Viktor, Simulation Specialist at PLM Group. In this video, let's look at some efficient reuse of part meshes with SIMULIA on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So how can we mesh this staircase in the most efficient way? Well, one way to do it is just create one FEM rep. Let's use the automated FEM tool. This is available in the Model Assembly Design app. So I have the top assembly open in the Model Assembly Design app. I will click Automated FEM. I will do the update, and let's use the standard automated FEM procedure. And let's just create this based on all the geometries, and let's just do it with the automatic settings. What we get now is a finite element rep, or a FEM rep, with a lot of meshes. If I run the update, it will create all of these meshes. We also have the corresponding sections here. This is a lot. We don't need to do it this way if we already have meshes for the parts. So I'm going to delete the sections and I'm going to delete the meshes, so we have an empty FEM rep now. Let's make sure we're using the right bodies. We have abstraction shapes and existing meshes for the parts that was done before. So we're just going to reuse these. So let's first check the setup and the contributing shapes manager, and then let's make sure that we use only the abstraction shapes here. So let's see what we have. So here I will make sure I select only the abstraction shapes. So all the abstraction shapes. Okay. Contributing finite element reps, and now we have the candidate FEMs here. So let's try to do something nice with the visibility manager at the same time. So I'm going to open the visibility manager and I'm going to show only the contributing FE models and only the contributing shapes. Yeah, so we're not looking at all the shapes, we're not looking at the old 3D shapes, but just what's contributing. And then for the sections, I'm going to select the FEM rep on all instances, the existing FEM rep for the section. Yeah, there it is. And then I'm going to do the same for the steps. Select FEM on all instances, step for the FEM rep, update the view, and now we have a meshed staircase, reusing the FEM reps and the meshes for the individual parts in the top level. The top level here, the top level FEM rep is empty and just refers to the meshes for the parts. Very efficient way to manage meshing and assembly. These individual meshes for these parts, they can be reused in any other assembly in the same workspace or that you have available on the platform. Thanks for watching.